Hello friends, guys, the garden is a mess because I've been fixing stuff in the garden, moving stuff around because the mango trees did have too much shade and I lost a lot of those little mangoes. That's why even some of those one I need to, how many mangoes on this one? 3. I'm gonna remove all those small mangoes and for the tree to put more, to flowering more. Cause like, yes, you guys hear, I'm working on the garden. I'm working on putting stuff because those guava tree was by the pool. They was getting too much sun. Every time I have to water them. Guys, it's a big mess right now in the garden. Look at this. It's a big mess in the garden. Look at this. Yes. Yes, guys, yes, you see, like this one, I removed that flower. I hope the tree can pull out more flowers, because let me show you guys, I have a lot of dead. Oh, you see, I've been moving big trees. That's what happened. You see, like those one, you see mildew on the flower. I have to remove all of them. That's not fair, because look at this. I have to remove, look at these flowers. You see, these flowers die already. She's not gonna hold no mangoes. I'm gonna go completely and remove her. Look at this. Oh my God. Okay, I need to get something to cut. This is a big flower. I have to get something to cut this flower. I hope she will pushing out. Look at this. On one branch, there's some little flowers turn out to mangoes. Oh my God, guys. I'm making space on the garden because I make for them to have, because I remove this mango trees where it's right there under that one. I remove them from that under that tree because that tree pretty soon she's gonna lift out, and then that plum or berries was all the way over there, and that big mango tree was somewhere else. So I remove her. I have bananas. You see, I remove some of this banana because the banana give me too much shade. Oh my God, I'm redoing the garden now. Guys, I'm so tired. Look at this. I just bring this tree over here. This tree was right there by the arch. I pulled it out and bring it to this 25 gallon right here. I hope she's okay. What else I did over here? Oh my God. And I need to come back, guys, and fix these mango trees. And then I got bananas in the pot right here because the banana is taking too much space.